We all know the ecological challenges we face today. Chemicals used in the growing industry have a strong effect on the soil and the environment. No matter if you're a home gardener or a big farmer.
Our planet urgently requires us to adopt sustainable all-natural products that facilitate environmental preservation.
While most see a problem, we at the SeedTech see an opportunity.
We believe in utilizing the world's waste to clean up our own mess.
SeedTech is fully committed to that goal.
We are crafting the future of agricultural growth, one that honors and nurtures our soil, not harms it.
Imagine leveraging the untapped potential of chicken feathers, merging them with all natural nutrients to create biosolutions that fuel sustainable agriculture.
Our Smart4Growing products, formulated from 100% all-natural elements, represents the simplest and most natural way to nurture plants. It's innovation rooted in nature, proven by science to foster quicker, healthier, and greener growth, reduces the use of synthetic chemicals, and increases crop yield.
Smart4Growing is more than a product. It's a blueprint for thriving, vibrant plants, both indoors and outdoors, serving home gardeners and large-scale farms alike.
Join SeedTech in realizing the dream we all share, a clean, flourishing planet for generations to come.
Together, we are growing a better future.